Good morning, everybody. The sun is finally shining here in North Texas. It's been about a week, I guess. But it's shining for two reasons. Number one, it's shining because the sun's out. Number two, it's shining because the Rehab House is finally sold. Well, I shouldn't say finally sold. I'll say it's sold quickly. You know, we started this back last June, and I guess we ended up finishing it up around December, I guess. Put it up for sale, and the first person that came over and looked at it bought it. And we got pretty much about exactly what we wanted for it. And so it was a win-win-win success. I guess it'd be my first flip house. You know, you see those people on TV do it, and it can be done. We got lucky. We got it done, and the house's prices have just shot through the roof because everybody's moving seems everybody wants to move to North Texas. And so there's not enough houses like this out there on the market. So they're getting snatched up. And so this person was really wanting to get this house, so she did. So we did it, and it's finally over. So if you want to go back and look at the final episodes or see what it was before and after, you can. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you.